Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful.
Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzur Abbasi, mathematics teacher of Pakistan International School, Taif. I will teach you mathematics grade 6, boys and girls section. Dear student, in previous two lectures, lecture number 10, lecture number 11, we discussed about the chapter number 5, about the brackets, types of brackets, and binary operations, plus, minus, multiplication, division. Dear student, here we have to add these decimal fractions which are given here, and we have to solve the brackets. Similarly, we introduce in a lecture number 10 types of bracket: small bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. And first one, that is the bar or vernacular. Dear student, here number 9, large bracket is started plus curly bracket is started 1 plus 1.25 multiplied by 3.85 divided by small bracket is started small bracket is started small bracket is started here 5.6 5.64 minus 2.9 plus 1.2, and they have the bar. These two numbers, they have the first bracket and then second bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket that starts from here and it is completed here before the plus, and then large bracket it will be. Dear student, here you have to introduce by the multiplication of the numbers, decimal fractions, and so first here minus 2.9 plus 1.2. This pattern that you will keep this same value, but we have to multiply minus by 2.9. It is already done to minus 2.9, but the second value it will be plus, but it is multiplied by minus, then it will become minus 1.2 because two opposite side when multiply their answer is always minus. After the minus we got here, we remove the this bar, and here we have the again we will remove this small bracket. 5.64 minus 2.9 minus 1.9. First we these two numbers means 2.9 and 1.2. 2 and 9 11, 1 carried to the 2 3, and 1 this one it is 4.9. Because they are both numbers, they are in minus, so we will take the answer in minus after the addition. Dear student, now we will do the minus 5.64 and 4.9. You will write 1 under the here. You write here, just you write first the number which is before the decimal. That is the integral part. 5 under 5 you write the 4. Under 6 you will write the 1. Yani 5 minus 4 it will come 1. 6 minus 1 it will come the 5, and 4 will remain the same. Now dear student, according to the DMAS board mass rule, we have to divide first, then we will multiply. Now the answer of the 3.85 divided by 1.54, when the answer will be obtained from their division, that is the 2.5, we will keep it here. Now when they will be multiplied, first you will multiply 1.25 by the 5, then you will multiply by the 2, and then we will place the point after how many number of the decimal point we have 1, 2, and 3. Then after from the right side you will count the 3 numbers 1, 2, 3, then place the decimal point. As usual, in a simple common way, we have to multiply 125 by the 225. When you multiply first by 5, then you will divide second number 2, and after the addition you will place the point after 3. So that the answer that we have got here 3.125, and when we have to add, this is the integral part 3 here, the 2 3 plus 2, it will become 5, and 0.125 it will be 7. This is the answer. Next students, in question number 10 we have the three brackets. We have number 1, this first of all small bracket, that is start 1.45 plus 2.1 multiply 1.23. So we have the two binary operations inside the small or parenthesis or curved brackets. Here when we have two binary operation, first is the plus and second is the multiply. According to the BODMAS rule or DMAS rule, we will do that here multiplication first and then addition. So 2.5 will be multiplied by 1.23. 1.23 will be multiplied by the 2.1. As usual, multiply by first multiply by 1, then multiply by the 2, and then keep the decimal point after 1 and 2, 3 places from the right. From the right side, you will count the 3 places and give. The multiplication just comes 2, 5, 8, 3, and keep the point after 1, 2, 3 decimal 3 places, and keep the decimal after 3 places here. Means after 5 before 2. Dear student, here again here you will do the, now after multiplication this answer we have to add, keep the 1, under 1 you will keep the 2, then under 5 keep the here 5, 4, under 4 5, then 5, under 5 8, then there's no number after 5, keep the 0, under 0 you will keep the 3, and answer that is here, it is 4.033, and this whole parenthesis will be removed. Now first we did here multiplication, then we did here addition, and after addition when we have got a single value, then parenthesis will be removed. Dear student, now here we have the large bracket started 1.25 plus curly bracket started 12.099, here divided by 4.033. Dear students, here we have to cancel, means remove the curly bracket, and there's only one binary operation. There's only one. That is the division. When 12.099 will be divided 4.033, you will take here 3. We will take the 3. So here after 3, we will just, after the division we have got the 3. Now this bracket will be removed, and there's only one bracket, and in last we have to do the 1.25 plus 3. We will get the we will get the 1.25 plus 3, you will get the 4.25. 4.25 here answer. Dear student, here we have got the question number 4, that is there are maximum 3 brackets we have, and we have the addition, multiplication, addition. Here is the 2.25 multiply large bracket 1.005 plus curly bracket 0.5 multiply small bracket 2.75 divided 2.2 multiply 4.12 and small bracket over curly bracket over, and this is here. Now dear student, here I have the this bracket, it is not necessary, it is by the mistake, no need for this bracket. Now write the same question, but after I have to consider about this bracket from here to here. Dear students, here we have the two binary operation divide and multiply. dm 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 dmas. So dm, when we have the dm, so it means divide first, then multiplication. 2.75 divided by 2.2, you will get the 1.25. Multiply by 4.1, 4.12. Here 0.5 same. And when you get here division answer, we get here we get 1.25 multiplied by 4.12, and after multiplication you will get this answer 5.1. And when we get the 5.15, this whole value will become single. And first you when multiply these two figures, we remove the point 1 here, point 0.5, and multiply 5.15. Here we get here, this is the multiplication. Dear students, after these two numbers multiplication, we got here we got here we got here zero point 0.5 multiply 5.1, 5.15 here in this value. Dear student, in this value, when we multiply these two values, we get the answer here 2.575. 2.575. 2.75. 2.75, and now here the 1.004. When you now this bracket should be after multiply. 1.005 plus 2.575. Here, when you add these two numbers, it will come 3, 5. This will come 3.58. 0, no need for the 0, because 5 plus 5, 0, no need for 0. 0 is carried here. Then it will become here 7 and 1, 8. And then we are getting here 3.1 point. Yeah, 2.25 multiplied by 3.58. Dear student, after the addition, this again the square bracket will be removed, 3.58, and multiply. Similarly, you will take this value 225, multiply first by 8, then by 5, then by 3, and this keep the decimal point after 4 places, and that is the 8.05. Dear student, in this sum, we have the four types of brackets. Here, four types of brackets here. First of all, 12 number sum 13.311 divided large bracket started 3.251 plus early bracket start 2.045 minus small bracket started 1.9 multiply now bar of 1.06 minus 1.02, bar of 1.06 minus 1.02, bar over small bracket over curly bracket over and this large bracket over. Dear student, here all values we keep set. All. But when you think about the here, when we do the minus here, this one, 1.06 to 1.02, you will get now 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 4, here 0 same, 1 cancel. Answer of the 1.06, we have the answer 1.02. Here answer we got the 0.004. Now we will multiply here. Bar cancel. After subtraction, bar cancel. Now when we multiply by the ordinary multiplication, this 1.9 means 19 point multiply 19 multiply by 004, then place the decimal point after three numbers, just 6, 7 and 0. We got the multiplication answer 0076 plus the point of the three places from counting the three numbers from the right side, 1, 6, 7 and 0. Means 1, 2, 3. Here we got the answer 0.076. Dear student, here the 2.045 minus 0.076. Now here again after multiplication this small bracket removed and we got the answer 0.076. Now we have to remove the curly bracket after subtraction and we will get the 1.969. Yes. Keep under 2, we will keep here, we will keep the 0. Point under point and 0 under 0. And under 4, we will keep the 7. And under 5, we will keep the 6. And answer comes out 1.969. Dear student, here we remove all the, here this is the turn of the square bracket. After plus means 9 plus 1 10, 1 carried. Here 6, 5, 11, 1 carried 12, 2 comes here. Again here 11, 1, 12, 1 carried, point under point. Here 3 plus, here 1, 4 and 1 carried 5. Means 5.22. Means 0 is not necessary. That will come in the last, but we if we don't write, no problem. Now here, dear student, 13.31 divided by 5.22. As usual, we have to divide this value by, if you 13.31 divide by this one, you will get the 2.55. First, you think here in this value that if there the point, you can keep the point in last. You can divide that 13.33 11 by 522. You can divide and keep the point in last, no problem. Now, dear student, here in 13 sum, we have the point 0.6 multiply large bracket 3.9 multiply curly bracket similar this value and here. These all values will be added and we will get the 0.111 here. Then you divide this value by the 0.11 and we will here after addition this small bracket remove. Now the turn of the curly bracket and there's only one binary operation, that is the division, and 0.532 it will be divided by this one. As I told you, if you don't consider this point, this consider after this point. Now here is the divide. You will divide the 0.11. Okay, otherwise you can remove this decimal point. You will write here, and here decimal point remove. You will write the under here. You under write. You will write the 1,000, and here will be 1,000. Here will be 10,000. Then 10,000 you multiply last. First you divide this value. Then position change. Zero will be cancelled also. But if you divide by the, as I mentioned in the book, you can divide this directly here 0.5328 and divide by the this one 1.133. When we will get the 4.8, we will get the 4.8 here. Now 3.9 and 39 multiply by 48 and keep the decimal point after two decimal places from right side. Again, zero point 0.6 means 6 multiply by this whole value 1872 and place the point after three numbers in the last 1, 2, 3. Similarly, there are also, here is also the four brackets are given. First of all, in 13 sum, here we have four brackets in 12 number sum, they are given. Here, first you remove this one, you got 0, it is done. This is also done. And in 14 sum, we have the same as in 12. We first plus this value, plus this value, 5.432, 2.344, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus here 3, 7, and 3 plus 4, 7, and 2 plus 5, 7. Yani 7.77, we got this one. And then divide. After division, you will get 1.1908 and then multiply here also. After division, the small bracket will be removed. And now this multiply as usual. First multiply by 8, then by 0, then by 9, then by 1, then by 8. And keep the point in the last after 7 digits. Because in first figure we have 3 digits and then second we have the 1, 2, 3, and 4. 7 digits. From the right side, count the 7 digits, and maybe there are some zeros. The answer of the multiplication is taken here. Then this small bracket will be removed. Answer will be 1.32297. Now addition of these values, it is the 2.3699, and this large bracket will be removed. This large bracket cancel after the addition. Now here we got the 2.366, 2.36, 2.3699. Now based on this value, first here we have the two binary operations, divide and multiply. So first we will do the divide, and after that you have the here division, multiply. First we keep the point in mind. After point, how many numbers here? 4. After point, how many numbers are here? 2. First multiply by 1. Okay. Then keep the cross, multiply by 0. Then keep double cross, then multiply by 1. And then add all values, 3 steps. When you add the final answer, now in final answer we have to keep this decimal after the 6 digits, because here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 1, 2, 3. Then after 6, answer comes in final 1.8853. Dear students, in question number 4, I and now in 15 number question also the same pattern. I hope you will revise these all questions, and I write the same solution here for your uh, just yeah, you have to be, it will be also for your help. And here I write the 100.014 minus large bracket started here 2.3584, here divided 0.044, here divided small bracket started 8.25 minus 5.235 here plus 1.255. Here you have to from, because of the bar, we have to here write here these values will be, because when you this minus multiply by this plus, this will be minus, both values will be in a minus. Okay, after addition, this is also minus 5, this will also become a minus because of bar. When you kill and you will remove, you will multiply this minus, this value will become minus, this value also become minus. When you add, you will get this answer minus 6.49. This is the addition of the minus 5.235 and minus 1.255. This step here, this is done directly, and after that you will do the minus 6 from 8, and again here 8.25 minus 6.45, answer will be 1.75, and then this bracket will be removed. We have now curly bracket. After division of the 0.44 by the 1.75, you will get the 0.025, and again here curly bracket will be removed, and again you will divide this value by the 0.25, and we will get 94.366, and then in the last you also subtract 94 from the 100.0414, and answer will be 5.678. So dear student, this was the last question, and inshallah in the coming lecture we will do the objective exercise, question number 1, 2, 3, and objective exercise consists of the number 1. It consists uh, some questions, subject questions. Number 2, fill in the blank, and after that there are the some MCQs. Inshallah, hope we will do these all questions. I hope that you will revise. I have given no homework here, but homework you practice these all questions one by one in your notes copy, and all these notes. If you need the notes, you can SMS. I will send you, and all these questions step by step I have done for you. I hope my dear student will do them very carefully, and do, if you want to further steps you can also add them, no problem. I have done here all the steps. But if you need any work for your explanation at the side of your copy on the page, you can do. Hope you will understand. So this was the lecture number 30 and end of the exercise 5.1. And only we have the object exercise from the chapter number 5. No 5.2 is included in this section. So I hope, inshallah, we will meet in the again coming lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.